Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on organizing the favorites list on your Android TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On the home screen of your TV, this top list of apps here is called your favorites list. They are for the apps that you use the most and want quick access to. You can add a new app to your favorites by clicking the plus button at the end of the list and then selecting an app. To move an app to a different position on the list, hold down the OK or Enter button on the app and then select Move. You can then use the arrow buttons to choose the position you want to drop the app. You can also remove apps from your favorites by pressing down on the app and then selecting Remove. You can also add and remove apps from the main apps page to your favorites. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Android TV tips and tricks.